Hey guys, Tony with Aqua Cleansing Take Pride in Property. Today we're doing a raw stress plus here in Turlock, California. I have my buddy over there. He's in with Gold State Pressure Washing. He's gonna be helping me out today since it's a huge concrete cleaning with gum stains. We're gonna be using a hot water unit on his truck and my cold water unit on mine. We have our huge whisper washer right there. It's 3 feet in diameter. So hopefully get this job done really quickly. All right, we're gonna set you guys up and get this job going because we gotta get it done. It's 10:30 at night. All right, guys, so we're gonna be jumping in right here with the hot water and the huge surface cleaner and the high pressure as well. They did not want to use degreaser on the surface for the concrete. They did not want to opt in for that. So because of that, we're not going to be rinsing down the concrete first. So we just jumped right into using that huge surface cleaner right here. You can be able to see just how large of a surface cleaner that thing is. It basically takes these big concrete slabs and just cuts them into half. So half the time cleaning, which is more efficient. We make more money in the long run. We're gonna have 3 guys on this site, on this property. 1 person hose management, 1 person operating the surface cleaner, and the other one just there for breaks, because this large surface cleaner does take a lot of energy out of you. All right, guys, we're gonna take a break from the time lapse real quick. I should have already explained what the process of the cleaning is in the time lapse videos, but right now, taking a little bit of a break. We have again, like I said, our friend from San Jose actually came all the way down to help me out. Golden State Pressure Washing is an amazing guy. If you have anybody that needs pressure washing needs up there in San Jose, go to him. He's amazing. His name's Ka, great guy. But we're almost halfway down the building. It's awesome with the concrete of the building. That 3 foot in diameter surface cleaner, dude, is wonders right now. So we'll be doing the surface cleaning of the concrete, getting all that top dirt, getting really deep in that concrete. And we're also doing gum removal as well. We're using high pressure with the concrete, also using hot water as well. That's why I had Ka come out here, because he has a high pressure and a hot water machine, 8 gallons per minute, shooting around approximately 200 degrees Fahrenheit. Which is awesome. It's making quick work of this concrete right here, especially because it's a high traffic area. Most commercial buildings are. This Ross here in town is in a very popular shopping center, so a lot of high traffic. Also, this concrete has never been cleaned since it's been here, so the concrete's really dirty. Told the property management team that, hey, you know, it's gonna look amazing the first time, but because it's a high traffic area, you're gonna need more than just one cleaning every couple years, if definitely not every 10 years. So hopefully we can get them on a contract for commercial cleaning at least once a year, hopefully biannually. That's what they really need, or even quarterly, to be honest. But we're gonna go back to that time lapse again. We're already at the halfway point of this building. We're gonna get that second half back here on this side. We're stopping at that ATM right there, because that's the entire Ross building. We've already gone over there on that side. Also gonna be getting some gum removal using some high pressure with some heat. With a regular pressure washing wand, and really target those black spots from the gum, get that removed. All right, guys, let's go back to time lapse. All right, guys, so we're gonna be finishing up with this last section of concrete. After this little clip, you're gonna see us rinsing down the property, just making sure all that dirt is off that surface, off that concrete, so it looks nice and fresh for them in the morning. If you like this video, please like, comment, subscribe to the channel. It really helps us out, really keeps us going with all this stuff. Doing this YouTube channel is not something we usually do, but we like to keep the content rolling. So this has been Tony with Aqua Cleansing. Take pride in your property.